Hi, matagal ko ng gustong mag-record, magsalita, mag-share kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, ano yung mga nasa utak ko. I have to unload. Ito po ay nakatago sa sarili ko, sa puso ko, sa isip ko. Even if I share this to my friends, to my family, hindi po enough. It's not enough to unburden me. And I've been longing really for so long time to unburden myself. Paano nga ba mag-umpisa magkwento? Hindi ko rin alam eh. How will I start? Sa pamilya ko, dami kong pinoproblema. Hindi ko din alam paano pa i-maintain o makakasustain bilang breadwinner ng family. Hindi ko na rin alam or I have stopped thinking na kakaya or probably I do not have the strength anymore. Yung multitasking, multi-roles, nanay, partner, breadwinner, office worker, activist, at ang dami kong responsibilidad. And I do not have time for myself. Who am I to blame? To whom can I put the blame on? Wala eh. Sa akin din naman yan, babagsak. I choose it. I hindi ko tinanggihan. Hindi ko tinanggihan yung mga bagay-bagay when I could have said no. Dapat dapat hindi ko tinanggap. Dapat nagsabi ako na hindi ko na kaya. Dapat nagsasalita ako. For example, sa relationship ko with June, gusto ko nang magsalita. Gusto ko nang pagsabihan. Gusto ko siyang pagsabihan. This is not the kind of relationship that I want. I want a relationship that is mutual. Give and take. Magtulungan. Pero ang bigat, ako lang mag-isa. Tapos, pag magsalita ka naman, nababara ka, hindi na marunong makinig. So, ang question din is, ito ba yung gusto kong buhay? Na habang buhay ganito? Kaya nga ako naghanap ng partner for someone so that I could have someone to share my life with, to talk with. But hindi ko po yan nakikita kay June. So, I am in a dilemma. Hindi ko naman, I'm not nostalgic na pag-iisipan yung mga years na pinagsamahan. No, I would rather na parang it's a chain that I have to break free. It's holding me from moving on. It's holding me from seeking my inner self, seeking happiness. What is really happiness for me? For one, happy naman ako sa pag-aalaga kay Mimi. But it's taking a toll on my health. Mentally, yes. Nagiging probably sabihin na lang natin abusive. Kawawa yung within my circle because wala akong outlet, wala akong mapagsabihan. And I have so many problems. Hindi ko na alam paano iisa-isahin. But one at a time. I just need to breathe. I just need to rest. Enjoy some time for myself. Enjoy those moments. Have time to relax. But I cannot do it. Or I refuse to do it. Why? Kasi ang iniisip ko lagi, gastos. I would rather spend that for the family. I would rather spend that for utilities, for the food, for win-win, diaper and milk, etc. etc. So I deprived myself. I punished myself. And yet, nagrereklamo ako, napagod. May options naman eh. Pero the practicality of all those and yung katamaan, the righteousness of what I am supposed to do, what I am planning to do, parang hindi tama. So I do not have a choice. I do not have a clear path ahead of me. Sa career, it's not moving. I'm stagnant. They see a lot of people probably see me as a villain. A lot of people probably see me, especially in the workplace, na parang kalaban ako. But I'm not. Hindi ganun. Kaya lang, how will I explain? Ang nakikita lang naman yung outward eh. Ang nakikita lang naman yung what comes out of my mouth. But they cannot read my heart. They cannot read my mind. So, ayun. I am misunderstood. I am judged always by people. Pero saan nga ba ako lulugar? Saan ko nga ba ipagsisiksikan ng sarili ko? These are just some of the questions. But thank you. Thank you for this platform. I can now share every day my thoughts. Thank you.